P&L? Is it an expenditure? Will it affect my profits? Yes. When it
Yes.
is affecting, you cannot say it is nobody's money, na?
Yeah.
So if you leave like that, what will happen? Ma? Cost centers expenditure will reduce. Everybody will start creating orders. You understand, na?
Yeah.
And they will spend money on orders. Enjoy them, na? You
Yeah.
understand? That's it.
Yeah.
So compulsory have to be settled.
So yesterday, since we are studying budgeting and availability, that's why we have stopped at only order-wise report. But actually, in practicality, we should go ahead with settling also, right? So that's why I doubt
Correct.
must or not.
Exactly correct. You have to settle. Month end process. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Now, right. So now we are talking about the profit center account.
Hello.
Yes, tell.
Sir, can you show me the call center how to remove the block
How to remove the block?
direct postings?
You go to KS02. KS02. Open here. Open the cost center. Whatever cost center. Generally, this should not come. Na? Here you see controls. In controls, here lock. Actual primary. Something should be ticked here. Understood?
Yes, sir, I will
Yeah.
check the code.
Yeah. So these four should be unticked. Only these two should be ticked.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. Now, okay, we are talking about the next topic, that is a profit center accounting. Profit center account. Accounting. In short, we call it as a PCA. PCA. PCA means profit center account. Now you know, no? You know what is a cost center. Cost center. What is it, guys?
It's a department like.
Yeah. So definition is a center where we are incurring the cost. Agree? Where we are spending the money. Correct, no? Wherever you are spending, that is a cost center. Na? You created it. Okay. You are spending money in the sales department, sales cost center. Your money spending money in production department. It's a center where you are incurring the cost. Correct? Simple. Now, can you tell me what is a profit center now?
From which center we are getting profit?
A center where we are incurring here also.
No, sir.
Profit we spend, we are generating the profit. Understand? So, cost when you are spending, you are doing analysis. What analysis? Where you are spending, how much we are spending. Correct? That is this part. So, when you are spending money, you are analyzing, you are doing analysis, na? Where we are spending, how much we are spending, why we are doing analysis.
To take decision.
Okay.
To reduce cost.
To reduce. Na? If someone is spending more, correct or not, you want to tighten him up, na? Correct. So that is a cost center. Now profit center, what we are trying to do here?
To generate more profit.
So here we are trying to find out from where we are getting this profit. Correct? Suppose your company made, okay, let us take one example. So let us take one example. Suppose your company is there, ZAPL is there. Okay, ZAPL is there. In ZAPL, you made 300 million profit. Okay, good profit you made, no? Are you happy? Are you happy? 300 million profit? Yes, we made good profit. So in ZAPL company code, we made profit. Okay, good. But this profit, I want to know from where I am getting. Understand? So what it is, suppose I will give you further information. Okay. Now you said 300 million profit. We are happy. As a company, we are happy. As a company, we are happy. But now I will tell you further information. What information? We have three plants. Plants means where we manufacture, we sell, no?
Yes.
Plant. We have three plants. We have one plant in Hyderabad. We have one plant in Bangalore. We have one plant in Delhi. Okay. So we have three plants. Okay. Now in Hyderabad, suppose if I tell you from Hyderabad plant, we made a profit. Yeah, only Hyderabad. If I see only Hyderabad, we made a profit of 250 million. In Bangalore, we made a profit of, suppose I'm saying separately now. Yeah, we made a profit of 150 million. Now in Delhi, can you tell me what happened now?
Loss of 50,
Loss of how much?
50 million.
50 really? That is a mathematics, huh? What
No,
mathematics?
no, sorry,
Come
100.
on.
100.
100, na? Correct, agree?
Yes.
100 or 50, guys?
100.
100
100 minus or plus?
minus
Minus. Then you will get
300 million profit.
total company. How much?
300 million profit.
200.
That's all. Yeah. Now you tell me you are happy or not.
No,
Hmm? So what is the difference here? So by looking at this, what you understand? So see, if you have only this information, you are happy, fine. But if this information is available to you, what will you do next? What you understand from this?
from Delhi plant we are
Delhi.
getting loss.
Hmm.
We will try to analyze why the loss is getting.
Now, first thing what you have to do, yeah, you tell Delhi people don't do anything. Just go home, sleep, no? If you don't do anything, our profits will be
400.
just don't do or shut it down. You understand, no? So you are working hard and losing the money. So every time you are selling for loss. You understand the point? Correct. So if you don't do anything, please, Delhi people, don't do anything, then our profits will jump to 400. Now, if you don't do anything, you understand the importance of this information? That this
Yes, sir.
information is provided by the profit center account. See, as a company, at the company code level, the profit. Correct? You know the profit. But if you want to know like this, how much profit from where I am getting, then you need to know profit center. So you create a profit center for Hyderabad. Then you will get this profit. You will create a profit center for Bangalore. Then you will get this profit. You get a profit center for Delhi. Then you know what is happening in Delhi. Otherwise, what will happen? This will continue. As a company, we are happy. Delhi people, they will enjoy. You understand the point? So, when you have this profit center accounting, immediately you take corrective action. Either you will close down Delhi or you tell them you improve your performance or we will close it. Correct? That is. Is it clear?
Sir.
This information is provided by the profit center accounting. Okay? Right. So now here how to generate? Na? See, this is a, see guys, see some companies, they need this kind of thing. Na? See, so many thing is happening all over India. Purchases, raw material, purchases, sales, all mixed. They don't know what is happening, where it is happening, what, no clarity. If they want to streamline it, then they want to go for profit center. They want to assign responsibility now. Yeah, Hyderabad people, they are asking, come on, show me your profits. Bangalore, separate. Delhi separate. Correct. Individually, they are assessing the performance of their units. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, everybody clear on this? What we are talking? Profit center account. Correct? Yeah. So it will help. Sometimes it may happen that as a company we may be making profit, but there are certain areas which you need to either close down or or improve their performance. Otherwise, they will be just they will be a liability for us. Correct? Eating into our profits. Correct? Yeah. So see, I will give you one example. Now we have families, na joint families. Correct? We have. Now there is a family is there, joint family is there. Now three brothers are there. Okay. Now what they have put, shops, na? Yeah. Each brother one shop. Huh? Correct. So three shops are running. As a family, they are running it them together. Correct? Yeah. So now as a family, they are becoming wealthy. They are making profits. Kada, na? They are becoming wealthy. They are able to buy properties. They are becoming rich. So you know that they are end of the day, all the three shops they are making profits. Total, all the three. But there could be one shop which is loss making, na? Correct or not? Maybe they are making loss on one shop, na? Possible. Correct. So other two shops may be covering for it. Correct. So to know the performance of each shop, what they should do, guys? To know the performance.
Record separate. Like they will record
Record. Huh. So what is the requirement here? They have to keep separate. Correct. So to know the performance of each shop, what is the requirement here? Revenues should be separate. Correct. Revenues and expenditure, when you keep separate, then you will get profit. See, what is the definition of profit, guys? Profit equal to
incomes minus expenses.
revenues is incomes minus
Expenditure.
expenses. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Now loss means what is loss? If expense is more than revenue,
Cost price is more than selling price.
yeah. See, if revenue is more than expense, it is profit. If expense is more than revenues, loss. Correct. So what is the requirement here? For every profit center, no, for every profit center you want to create. What is the requirement here? Profit center, we have to keep revenue separate, and expenditure separate. Then only we can generate, no? Correct. So what you should be telling this to these people? You cannot have a common good on, no? Purchase all the stock and don't purchase together. Don't put it in a common go down. Keep separate. So expenditure separate, revenue separate. Then only you can generate you will know the performance of each shop, right? Correct or not? See, if you mix, you are doing purchasing for all the three shops together, all the revenues, you mix all of them, then you cannot. Correct. So to know the performance, what is the requirement? For each shop, you have to keep your sales separate, expenditure separate, purchasing separate, stock separate, everything you keep separate. Then you know. Correct or not? They cannot say, no. They cannot say, no, we cannot do that. All the stock we buy together, we sell together, means sorry. We cannot do anything. No? Same way here also, company also. If the company says our processes are tied up together, we do everything together, all the stock goes together, then we say, sorry, we cannot provide you profit center account. Well, if you are ready to change the process, if you are ready to do what we say, if you are ready to keep the revenues flow separate, if you are ready to keep the expenditure flow separate, then only we can provide you profit center account. That is the requirement. Okay. So for every profit center, they want to know the profit. What is the requirement here? Revenues have to be kept separately. Expenditures have to be kept separately for that profit center. Then only you can know the profit per profit center. Is that clear? So when you are doing controlling module, first question, this will come up. Correct? So whether the profit center accounting can be provided or not. Correct. In some companies, it will be already systematic. All the things they are separate. Then you will say yes, we will provide profit centers for you. In some companies, they are little bit mix up is there. Then we will tell them to change the process, to do some corrections, so that they can get the profit center account. They will agree for it. So they will change some processes. They will keep the stock separate, everything separate. Then we will provide the profit. In some companies, it's all mixing up. We tell them if you want this, you have to separate. Then they say no. For us, not possible. We cannot do that. Then we will also say for us also PCA not possible. Is that clear? So you will tell on the face. For you, we cannot implement profit center accounting because your process doesn't support it. Correct. If you are mixing up all the revenues, if you are mixing up all the expenditure, there is no point. There is no way we can provide profit center accounting. No? That is what we tell them. Is that clear? Yeah. So if they are okay to change everything, revamp everything, and they are saying we want PCA, we are ready to change the processes, then we will go for it. Otherwise, we will not configure for the profit center account. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
So what is PCA?
Profit center.
Profit center account. Correct? So to get profit center accounting, what is the requirement?
Revenue separated, expenditure separate.
Yeah, we have to keep revenue separate, expenditure separate for each profit center. Then only we can generate center reports. Correct? Good. Okay, hold on 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So now, how to get it? How do we keep the revenues separate? So what we do? Suppose we have right. Suppose we have two profit centers. Okay. Suppose we have two profit centers. When we have Hyderabad profit center, another one we have Bangalore profit center. Okay. Yeah, profit center. So what we do? We want to keep the revenues for Hyderabad separate. So how we will get the revenue flow? Okay, revenue flow, how it will come, and expenditure flow, how it will come. For expenditure flow, how it will come for Hyderabad profit. So revenue flow, what we will do? We will create separate sales revenue account. Okay, for Hyderabad. Is it clear? Suppose I create something like 3 lakh, 3 lakh GL. And what we do, we will link like this. Next step, we will link Hyderabad profit center, 3 lakh sales account, we link to HYDBC. Correct. Third one, whenever sales related to Hyderabad, post to posted to 3 lakh account only. You understand? So separate track customer to sales, which is sales 3 lakh. If it is 3 lakh, it will go to which profit center? 9 lakh. Is that clear? Correct. Account separate. Let's see. Now in the shop, what they are doing? First, brother opened one bank account, and his Paytm GPay number he put it there in one shop. In another shop, another brother opened. You understand? Accounts are separate. That account is not coming with this shop. This account not coming with that shop. You understand? That is a daily life. So when we know it, then this whatever sales happening in this, it will go to this one. Correct? Separate. Correct? So account needs to be separate. Now then only revenue flow will be separate. Is it clear? Good. Next, what I am doing? Next, now expenditure flow. What we are doing? Now we have cost centers related to cost centers. Which cost centers are related to Hyderabad? Yeah. So whatever cost centers are related, suppose F100 related to Hyderabad. So this I will link to HYDPC. Understand? So all the cost centers related to Hyderabad assigned to HYDPC. Is that clear? Oh. So all the cost centers like H100, P100, S100, all of them are Hyderabad only. So I will link like this. So whenever we are posting any expenditure, we will give the cost center. From cost center, the expenditure will automatically go to
Profit center.
profit center. Is that clear? Okay, right on here. Whenever we are posting, whenever we are posting, whenever we are posting any expenditure, we give the cost center. Right? We give the cost center. Right? We give the cost center. From cost center, so when you give the cost center. So the expenditure will be posted to cost center, and from there it will flow to profit center. Correct? Yeah. To respective profit center. Whatever the cost center is linked, it will go to that profit center. Okay, no problem. So this understood everybody? Revenue flow, expenditure flow. Yeah. So this we call it as there is a word for it. We call it as the default account assignment. This we call it as this is a default account assignment. This is a derivation rule. Okay. So right on. So if the interviewer asks you how the revenue will come into profit center, your answer should be through the default account assignment in T code OKB 9. Okay. How the derivation rule through the assignment in the cost center master records KS02 we assign the profit center in the cost center master record. Okay. Right. Note on this. Okay.
Business.
Yeah, tell me.
So we have wide 0% business area.
Business area is outdated. Outdated. The problem in business area is every time you have to enter it. Understand? Every transaction you are posting, you have to enter the business area. That is the problem. Here you don't have to enter, it will flow automatically.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, noted.
Noted.
Okay, what about other people?
Noted,
Done.
None.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Okay. Right. No, not only till theory, because this question will come. What is a profit center? How and this and that. So what I do? Okay, Bangalore part I did not tell you. No? So Bangalore what I do is on the same lines. For Bangalore what I do? No? Okay, so for Bangalore what I do now? Everything is the same, right? So here what I do, revenue flow. What I do, I will create revenue flow to Bangalore, right? So here what I do, okay, so simple. For Bangalore, I will create 3 lakh 1 GL account. Okay, and then I will link to Bangalore PC. Correct? Posted to 3 lakh 1. Related to Bangalore, we will post to 3 lakh. Expenditure from Bangalore separate cost centers are there na F200, H200, P200, S200, whatever are the Bangalore profit centers, I will link to Bangalore. Is that clear? That's how it is. So we keep them everything separate. Revenue separate, expenditure separate.
So assigned to Bangalore.
Assigned to Bangalore. Correct. Bangalore, cash center related to Bangalore, link assigned to Bangalore.
Under revenue loan also point Bangalore.
For Bangalore. Okay. Okay.
One minute.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. No. Now what I was doing, yeah. So now note down notes, little bit notes we'll write down here. Okay, profit center accounting, right? Profit center accounting. Right. Profit center accounting is used to generate financial statements at profit center level. Like for a plant, or a branch, X, whatever way they want. Yeah. Next. A profit center can be defined. A profit center can be defined as a place where both revenues and expenditure revenues are generated, correct, generated, and expenditure is incurred. Okay. The difference between these two can be understood as the profit generated for a profit center. Okay. Yeah. Now here, see, can I create only production department as profit center?
No.
Only finance?
No.
Why?
We need Alex.
What is the problem? Only finance department I want to create as as profit center.
Not generating profit, income,
No income there.
no income.
Correct?
Yes.
Only production?
No income.
No income. No sales? S100 can I create?
So only income.
No
No,
income.
the S100 is also cost center. Why income will come to a cost center? S100 is a cost center. Income will not come to cost center. Remember, expenditure related to sales only you record to S100. Correct?
Yes.
Correct? Only income what you said is wrong because income we don't record to cost centers. Correct? When you are making sales, is it the sales of only S100? Really? No, right? See, production manufacturing, then only they are able to sell. Correct. So they cannot take company's revenue as S100 revenue, no? Wrong, right? So revenue is not recorded to a cost center. Even if you are making sales and if you are trying to give S100, it will say, sorry, this is a cost center. You are using it for recording the cost, not to take the revenues. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So at what level where you will have a visibility? Okay. This is a one place I can create as a profit center. Okay. Here manufacturing separate, sales separate, everything they are having separate, then okay, we will create it as a profit center. Right? That revenues and expenditure flow, if it is separate, then correct? Yeah. Next. Then revenues flow into profit center. How it will come? Profit center. That is the revenues, right on like this, revenues into a profit center. Revenues are collected into a profit center through default account assignment. Assignment in T code OKB9. Where a sales account is will say separate, where a separate sales account is assigned to the profit center. Next one. Expenses. Yeah. Expenses flow into background noise. Okay. Expenses flow into profit center. What is this now? The expenses are updated. Right on like this. The expenses are updated to profit centers through derivation rule. What is derivation rule? the profit center is assigned in the master record of cost center. Okay. Next, every time a cost center is given, at the time of expense posting. The profit center will be is also updated automatic. This is referred to as derivation rule. No doubt. Okay, noted.
One second, sir.
So,
Yes.
so is this how companies do segment reporting? Or do we
Segment is the next wise. Next, some more topics are going to come. Yeah. So we have segment reporting separate. We have other things will come up. We have concepts like COPA is there. They will come going forward.
Completely.
Okay, done. What about other people?
Done. Done.
Okay, now let's start the configuration. Configuration for PCA. Of profit center account. First step, set your controlling area. Okay, that is your OK case. First, you should be in your right controlling area, no? Otherwise you end up creating profit center in somebody's area, right? Correct or not? Yeah, we know, no, we have seen. So make sure you are doing in your correct area. Next, maintain controlling area settings. That is 0 KE 5. It is 0. Okay, guys, write it down. So 0, how you have to write, guys? 0, you have to put a line, cross line. Understand? You put the 0, put a line, cross. Okay, then you know it is a 0. So what do the students do after this topic every time? They will put it in Telegram. Not coming, not coming, not coming. Why not coming? You know what they do? They will put what? Okay, fine. Yeah, this they will go. And screen is different. Sir screen different, my screen different. So this, are we talking about OKE5? Are we talking about OKE5? No, we are talking about 0 KE5. Yeah, remember this. Still some people will do this, I know. Let's see who will do by tomorrow. So we are talking about 0 KE5. Yeah, this is PCA means what?
Profit controlling.
Profit
Center accounting.
accounting. Profit center accounting. Okay, controlling PCA, profit center accounting, controlling area settings. Okay, good. Now, so here we have something, standard hierarchy that we created. No? Standard hierarchy. No, we will create that hierarchy. Okay, what is the hierarchy we have created? Oh, no, that is a cost center hierarchy. Sorry, this is profit center hierarchy. So we will give like ZAPL, profit center, standard hierarchy. Okay. Then elimination of internal business volume.
Sir, we should note it down, sir.
Yeah, note it down better if you want to do practice. It is there in your material. If you want to note down also, it's fine. Okay, so you go to 0 KE5, 0 KE5, you go to,
Yeah, we want to add the controlling area first, sir.
We are controlling area.
So first is OKK is that we have not done it, sir.
see guys, that is, if you are doing practice, you should know that. That is just to set the controlling area, guys. If it is not there, if we are in another controlling area, then we do it. I am already in the same controlling area. No? You know, when I go, okay, 0 KE5, I am able to see na here. I am able to see, right, my controlling area I am in. Understand? Yeah. It's not see. Okay, case is to set the control. If you are in the wrong controlling area, if you are able to see, then you set it. That is okay case. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now go to elimination of internal business volume. Take this. Okay. What is this one? Elimination of internal business volume. See, now the when you are doing profit center accounting, other problems will come. What are the other problems? Suppose there is now Hyderabad profit center is there, and now Bangalore profit center is there. Okay. Now previously what was happening? Hyderabad people, suppose they are manufacturing laptops. Okay. Suppose these people are manufacturing desktops. Okay. Suppose now there is a component. There is a component like the motherboard. Okay, you know motherboard, which is used in both laptops
and computers.
and desktops, right? Yeah. So this motherboard is being manufactured in Hyderabad only. Yeah, and we are supplying to manufactured in Hyderabad, manufactured in Hyderabad and supplied to Bangalore. Okay. Now this motherboard we can sell directly in the market also. Direct sale to customers. Direct sale to customers. If if someone wants to buy it, see motherboard, some repairs and service. We sell motherboard also, right? Going forward, yeah. So motherboard we are selling to the direct customer, to outsiders. Direct sale to outsiders. We are selling it for say rupees 10,000. Yeah. Outsiders we are selling 10,000. The cost price of that. The cost price of manufacturing. Okay. The cost price of manufacturing is rupees 6,000. Okay. Now we are selling direct outside people. How much we are selling? 10,000. What is the cost price in Hyderabad? 6,000. Now you tell me, guys, for Bangalore, what should we do now? What price we should give to Bangalore?
6,000.
If you give 6,000, then Hyderabad people not happy, na? We work hard, we manufacture, and Bangalore people are getting 4,000 less, na? So that 4,000 is recorded in the Bangalore profit center, right? Correct. When you are saying Hyderabad separate, Bangalore separate, our profit you are giving to Bangalore people, take.
No, sir.
Correct. You agree with me?
Yes.
Before profit center accounting, no problem. Bangalore also ours, Hyderabad also ours. Okay, give it to Bangalore, they will say. But when you say Hyderabad separate, Bangalore separate, Hyderabad show me performance separate, Bangalore show me performance separate, then they will say, no, we work hard to manufacture for 6,000 and we should give cost to Bangalore. Huh?
No.
Huh? We are outside people, we are selling 10,000. No? Why not they buy 10,000? At least we can record 4,000 profit. No? Correct or not? Bangalore is not our profit center. No? Bangalore people, you are saying separate, right? Okay, let them buy for 10,000. We will make 4,000 profit. No? Now if Bangalore has to buy from outsiders, if Bangalore has to buy from outside people, they will buy for this much. No? Correct or not? If they want to manufacture desktop, they will buy from outside people, right? They will buy for 10,000. Let them buy. Correct? Yeah. So you understand the problem now? So we are trying to solve one problem, another problem pops up. Okay. So what price you will sell now?
10,000.
10,000. Then your competition, your Bangalore will be lost. Na? Your company sales will fall down. Correct? Your desktop cost increases by 4,000. Na? And then Bangalore competition, outside people, they will lose in the competition, right? Correct? Na? Correct? See, our company is different. Outside companies are there. Our product should be competitive or not? Yes. Now, if Bangalore is buying for 10,000 from Hyderabad and it is including in the cost, outside people will get advantage. No? If you quarrel internally, if you fight among yourself internally, what will happen? Your competitor will take advantage of it. Correct? Company sales will fall down. Forget about profit centers. Is it clear? You are able to understand what I am talking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then how to solve the problem? How to solve that?
There is a fixed markup between this internal.
We can have a markup also, transfer pricing we call it, then we agree. Okay, you take 50, I take 50. Understand? Yeah. Or the best option is this one. What is the best option? This is the best option. What is this best option? Elimination of internal business variance. So what you are telling them? Whatever profit you make internally, whatever profit you make internally, we don't consider for profit center account. Correct? So if Hyderabad selling to Bangalore and making profit, no, we are telling them this profit is not considered in your performance. If you want to show profit, show real profit from outsiders. You cannot generate profit internally. You cannot sell to our own people and say I made profit. No? Sorry. You understand? You understood this one single statement? What is it saying?
Elimination of internal business.
Elimination of internal business volume means whatever profit you generate from our own people, we don't consider it. So forget about it. So whether you make 4,000, whether you make 2,000 or 0, we don't care. Correct? So even if you are selling for 10,000 and making profit 4,000, we don't consider it as a performance. It will not come under your profit center reports. Is it clear? So we killed it, no? That is the elimination of internal business. So should we take this or not take this? So that problem will be solved. Otherwise they will fight, they will quarrel. Company profit center reports will come, but company will become weak. Is it clear? Good. Okay, next, profit center local currency type. Local currency type is your controlling area currency. Yeah, 20 you take 20. So then when you press enter 20, everything will come. Store transaction currency. Take this. Okay, note on this.
Yes.
Done? Okay, save it. This is step number 2, where I created the profit center accounting controlling area settings. Good. Step number 2. Step number 3. Sorry. Step number 3 is create dummy profits. Create dummy profits. That is your KE59. KE50. So what is the dummy profits? Okay, no. Dummy profits. When profit center accounting is activated, Accounting is activated. System will expect a profit center for each cost center. If no profit center is assigned to a cost center, then system will automatically update the cost into a dummy profit center.
Okay, thank you so much, auntie. నేను హంసకి వచ్చాను నేను
I like your noise from your side. Yeah. Okay. See what happens is later on, okay, right now, later on the cost will be reallocated
Profit center.
to other profit centers. See now head office is there. Yeah, head office is there. Now general manager is there. GM. General manager. General manager is for one profit center or all profits? All. Correct now? General manager, GM of the company, general manager. Is it for one profit center? No, all. So there is a head office is there, no? Headquarters. Yeah. There is a head office, headquarters is there, head office. In that people are working. Now general manager salary. Big fat salary is getting. That salary you record to which profit center, guys? No, you cannot, no? That is. So that cost center we have, na, head office cost center. That will be going, we will record into a dummy profit center. Okay? That's when profit center is accounting is activated, it will expect a profit center for every cost center. But when it is not there, it will take it to dummy. Correct? So now all cost centers will not have a profit center. No? There can be some cost centers for which profit center may not be there, like head office. For them, we need dummy profits. Okay? Good. Now, let's do this, guys. Let's do. Okay, now. So I will go and create the dummy profits. We will go and create dummy profits. Dummy PC. As the name says, no, dummy. Dummy means dummy only. Now you go to /n KE59. KE50. Okay, go to KE59. So this screen itself is for dummy only, you see. So we create like this, dummy PC. Dummy profit center. Okay, click on the basic data now. Here it will give validity date from 1950 onwards it is taken. Don't worry. Fine. Yeah. If it is less than, then there is a problem. More than, always no problem. Understand? If it is less than 2025, then it is a problem. Correct? More than it, don't worry. Next. Name. Dummy PC. Dummy PC. Person responsible, profit center manager. Profit center group is what I created na just now. That. Okay, no, no.
Done, sir.
Okay, now click on save now. So dummy profit center has been created. Okay, good. Next. Next one, step number 4. Step number 4. Step number 4 is set control parameters. Set control parameters. Set control parameters for actual data. 1 KEF. 1 KEF. Set control parameters for actual data. Set control parameters for actual data. 1 KEF slash n 1 KEF. Okay, new entries. And I am giving the from year. From year. Okay, which year? 2025. Line items. Right? Online transfer. Yes, you can do. Yeah, online transfer. Lock, don't take lock. Lock means you are locking. You cannot post. Okay? Yeah. You can post line items in the profit center and you can do front end. No? Line item online means front end. You can do the reallocations and all that. Okay? Save it. This is my step number 4. Step number 4. Step number 5. 5 is define number ranges. Define number ranges. Define number ranges. Define number ranges for local PC documents. Okay, that is GB02. PC means profit center. Correct? Local PC. PCA means
Profit center
Account.
account.
correct. Yeah. Now go to GB02. See here when the data is coming from FI to CO, FI to CO, we are creating number ranges now.
Yes, sir.
CO documents? Yes.
Okay,
No,
clear.
you are saying no, not only CO, I want it from profit center accounts also. So what is the proof that it is coming to profit center? Again documents. Profit center documents will be created. Is it clear? So you go to GB02 slash and GB02. Okay, so click on the groups now. Plan document is there, actual document is. Same like cost center you do planning, na? Correct? Now we did planning, na guys? Cost center. Cost center planning, remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same way we can do planning for profit center also. Okay. So you go to select plan documents first. Click on the group interval maintain. Company code, which company code? ZAP. So I'm maintaining a local GL plan document. We maintain a insert interval. Okay, which year I'm maintaining? 2025, na? Correct. From number, I give any number 10002 109. Enter. Save it. Okay. That is. Next, what we do? Next one. Actual also we do the same thing. Okay. Select this. Click on interval. Maintain. Yeah. Maintain. Company code. Which company code? ZAP. Insert interval. Number what year? 2025. From number, any number you give. 200. So one series for actual, two series for sorry, one series for plan, two series for actual. Correct. So for plan I gave one series, actual I gave two series. For local GL documents coming into PC. Okay, save it. Next. Then you go to step number 6. 6 is we will create the profit center now. Okay? Okay, no done. Create Hyderabad profit center and activate it. That is KE51. KE51. Activate. KE51. Go to KE51 now. Go to slash N KE51. Go. Right. So give the profit center. Which profit center I want to create? HYD PC. Press enter. Okay. So starting, be careful always. This is where the problems will come. Understand? If you give today's date, na, then it will get struck, correct? Because expenditure in the cost center is happening for the whole month. And profit center you are starting only today. It will be a mismatch, right? Yeah. Then here, this is my Hyderabad profit center. Right. User responsible, person responsible, profit center manager. Group is also same group. Okay, no. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now click on save this, press enter, and then I'm activating this. That's it. Profit center has been created and activated. No? You see, profit center. To change your profit center is this one, KE52. So always once you create, always what you have to do, you have to activate it. Okay. Whenever you create any profit center, you have to activate it. Activate button will come and you have to activate it. Okay. So here whenever you create a KE51, whenever you create, suppose you are creating anything like Bangalore profit center, right? Then what you do, after you create, you tick on this. See this button? This. Okay? Good. Next. Now, what is the next step? Next step number 7. 7 is we need to do the, for revenues we have to do, no? Okay. What we have to do, we need to create a sales revenue account for Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad PC. That is FS00. So I think we have created account already, no? 3 lakh account is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can use it, right? Yeah. And we have to make it a cost element, right? And make it a cost element. Correct or not? Otherwise, how it will come to CO? Correct? Yeah. Right. So now, I told you, no, cost element means not only cost. In the beginning onwards, I am telling you, right? Cost element means not cost. What is the definition of the cost element, guys?
Carrier of cost and revenue comes beside the CO.
So till now we did only expenditure cost, na?
Yeah.
Cost element. Now we are doing revenues also. Okay. Yeah. So revenues is also, that is the way SAP calls it. It is quite confusing. There is no revenue element. There is cost element. Okay. So we go like this. We go to FS00. FS00. Okay, go to your company code, that is your ZAPL. Open it. Now you go to incomes. This is account is there already? Yes. So click on change. Give a name like revenue account for Hyderabad. Correct. Give like this. Description you change. Sales GL account Hyderabad. Then you go to edit cost element. Okay, one small thing. Here you need to go to field status group, change it to G00 what?
4.
Revenue.
Revenue account.
This is cost account, this is revenue.
Revenue.
So expenditure accounts will become G004. Revenue accounts will become G029. Okay, select this and save it.
Credit cost.
Okay, then you, okay, correct. You have to do cost element, na, that's the main thing, right? Yeah, so here 1 4, make sure the date is correct. Press enter. And then here cost element category. What is the category?
Revenues.
11 revenues.
Exactly. Till now we were using one only, na?
Cost.
Now this is revenue. But even though you are giving revenues here, what is that you are telling on the top?
Cost.
Cost element.
That is the confusion. Correct? You are creating, you see, cost element category. Cost element category. What it is? Revenues. That is the way SAP calls it. Okay. So here cost element category. Now inside cost element category you have revenues. Understand? Yeah. So cost element does not mean only cost. Cost element includes revenue.
Cost.
Okay. Yeah. So in the beginning, people they know this is creating a lot of confusion. No? Whenever you hear the word cost, you will think that only expenditure. No? And here revenues are also we are calling them as cost element. Save it. Okay, cost element has been created. What type of cost element? Revenue cost element. Correct now? Now done. So next, what is left now?
Assign account to
Assign. Correct. We
profit
need
center.
to. Yeah. Step number 8. Step number 8 is assign the. Yeah. So we have to do what we have to do. Default account assignment. We have to. That is assign the cost center. Assign the revenue GL account, assign the sales GL account, sales GL account, 3 lakh account to HYD PC. Okay, that is the T code is OKB9. Okay, let's go to OKB9 /N OKB9 go. Okay, what is this one? New entries and you give now. What is my company code? ZAPL. What is the cost element?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. Which profit center I should give?
Hyderabad.
I link. So I create, I link. Now without giving cost, creating cost element, can I give here?
No.
That is. So I need to create it as a cost element, then only I can. Okay. Save it. That's it, no? Okay, our request is control. Press enter. Okay, good. Next. Now next one. Step number 9. 9.
Expenditure.
Derivation rule, no?
Yes.
Yeah, derivation rule. Derivation rule means assign the
Profit center to each cost.
assign the profit center in the
Cost center.
cost center master records.
Yes.
Correct? Cost center master records. That is your KS02. KS0. Assign the profit center in the cost center master. So go to KS02 slash and KS02 go. What is my cost center? F100, yeah? Press enter. In the cost center master record, last field you see.
Yes, you are getting it there.
So the F100 belongs to
HID
HIDPC. Yeah, all these days they were give yellow warning was coming, right? Yeah. Okay, it is saying already data is there in the cost center. Now you are connecting. No? So what it says, the data will not come, no?
Yes.
See, you are giving the connection now, but before that some data is there. That data will not come, right? In real time, what you do, you know all the topics, right? You do in the beginning only. Correct or not? You know cost center, you know profit center, you give profit center before itself. Correct? Then the data will come. So after you configure, then only data will come, no? After you set up everything, system, then only original data will come, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here we are just doing topic by topic, so data is already there, yeah? So don't worry. Don't worry. Right. Yes. So check what it says. Check consistency of the field as transaction data already exists. Yeah, you want to go ahead still? Yes. So unintended consequences. What it is saying? Unintended consequences. Okay. So now you see the data will not come. Now new data will come. Correct? Good. Now next one. H100. What should I give now? Here, same profit center, right?
It's Hyderabad.
Because all these are the cost centers of
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Yes. You see, check data inconsistency. What it says? Normally this change alert, but if necessary, ensure that there are no unintended consequences because data, half of data here, half data there. Okay?
Sir, if you try reports, how will it affect case
That
B1?
nothing will happen. If you post only, it will come.
Yeah.
Hyderabad, it will show 0 because we have not posted any data after linking. No? Yeah. Save it. This is over. Next, P100. No? P100. Okay, here profit center.
HID.
Peace. That's it. Same again. Message will come. Enter, enter. Save it. Next.
S100.
S1. So all the cost centers linked now to the profit center. Yes. Save it. Clear everybody? So
Yes.
my derivation rule completed? Yes.
Yes.
Default account assignment completed?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now next thing we want to do some planning also now. So see cost center what we did first we posted. Then we did the planning. No? At least for profit center we will do planning first. Okay? Yeah, we can do the planning now. So here planning we can do in cost center you do planning only for expenses. Correct? In cost center you can do the planning only for expenses. But profit center
Revenues and expenses.
you can do revenue planning, you can do expenditure planning and profit planning. Understand, in Hyderabad I will plan in May month. In May month we will make a profit of 5 lakhs. That is my plan. In Hyderabad, revenues will be this much, expenditure this much. This is the profit I will make in Hyderabad. That is my plan. Understand? So in cost center, I do planning only for expenses. In profit center, I can do planning for revenues, expenses, and profit. Is it clear? Good. Okay, no. Next one. Okay, so plan for the profit center. Step number 10. Plan for profit center. Plan for profit center. The T code is 7KE1. 7KE1 it is. Okay, so go to 7KE1 slash n 7KE1. Let's go. So I'm doing the planning now. Version 0. First version always. Version 0 now we start. Yeah. And then period 1. First period. I'm doing planning for April only. Okay. Period 1. Now here my account number I will give like 3 lakh to 499.
Hyderabad.
Yeah, Hyderabad. We have not created Bangalore. Then form based. No. So all the revenues and expenses I am taking. All the revenues and expenses I am taking. Click on the overview. Here. So now I am doing the planning. Yeah. So revenue how much, expenditure how much, all that planning I am doing. So now revenue you to tell me guys. Revenues you credit or debit?
Credit.
Expenditure? Debit. So expenditure debit means positive, right? When you are posting debit means positive, credit means minus, no? Agree with me? Now one entry is there, any entry. Credit means minus symbol will come, no? Debit means positive, right? Okay, so credit, so I am making like this. I am making 5 lakhs sales. That's my plan, okay? What is my plan? Make 5 lakhs sales. 5 lakhs sales, credit or debit?
Credit.
So minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus. Is it clear? Expenditure, this is my plan. 1 lakh rent I will pay. Okay. Wages I will pay 1,20,000. Insurance I will pay like 30,000. Okay. Then what else? I'll try to keep it simple. So more planning you do, more actually you have to post. So we are using like these two accounts, na? Traveling and miscellaneous I will post. So total now how much? 250 already over. So traveling another 10,000. I am taking miscellaneous. I am taking another 40,000. Yeah. Total expenditure how much now? We are planning for a profit of 2 lakhs. Huh? Okay. I will increase this little bit. No problem. We have a plan to get how much profit, guys? 2 lakh profit. So what is my target? My target is to make sales of
5 lakhs.
5 lakh, expenditure 3 lakhs. Correct? Profit 5 lakhs, expenditure 3 lakhs. So expenditure rent 1 lakh, wages 120, insurance 30, 10 and 40, right? Yeah. Okay, so my profit I am getting how much? 2 lakhs. This is my plan or actual?
Plan.
Plan. See, I got the document. This is what is this document? 1005. Where I am getting this? Planning. We posted na that one. Is it clear? You give number series right for planning. Okay. Next. Now next we have to post actual, right? Actually, what did you do? You planned to do make sales of 5 lakhs, but actually, what did you do? What did you do? FD 50, or you can do cash sales, you can do credit sales also. Whatever. Cash sales means you know na. Yeah, bank to customer. You can do that, or not bank. You can do bank to sales. Correct? You can do that, or you can do credit sales. It's up to you what you want. Now company, what is my company code ADPL? Okay, my customer, what customer it is? 79, huh? No.
51.
51, huh? Zero. Customer invoice, FB70. We know or we don't know?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Give the date. I am making the sale to the customer, okay? Okay. How much amount I am making the sale? I make more sale, 5,50,000, yeah? Okay, I am making more sales. Can I make more sales than the plan? Possible, no? 3 lakh account. Put star 3 lakh means what profit center I will get now? So yellow warnings will come, press enter. It will come. But what will come now here? Hyderabad profit center. Automatically it will. So this is actual or plan?
Actual.
Actual.
Plan is how much?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. Actual is how much?
5 lakh 50.
Post. Yellow warning will come, just press enter. Done? No actual expenditure I should post na FB50. Okay, I am giving the date, today's date. Today's date. Okay, then I am giving like this na. Rent, wages, insurance 4 lakh 2, 4 lakh 79 traveling, 4 lakh 80 na. Okay, then bank. Correct? Okay. How much I did actually? All these are debit, and debit. And then credit. Okay. And then how much? 1 lakh. Plan is 1 lakh. Actually, I spent exactly 1 lakh. Rent na same amount, no problem. Wages 120. But I spent 1 lakh 40. More wages. Insurance 30. But I spent 50. Traveling 10,000. I spent 20,000. My miscellaneous is 40, but I spent 30 only, less. Right? Start. Because no, without giving cost object, how can I spend? I'm answerable, no? Right. I have to give which cost center, you know? Different. I give international, I will give different cost centers, you see. But all of them will go to which profit center? All this belong to Hyderabad only, right? Okay, let me go now. This is my S100, right? Got it. Okay, so one more I have to give. For anything, I will give F1 on report. So my plan was to spend 3 lakh, but I spent possible, no problem. So I posted to what? Cost centers, no?
Yes.
But you see, from here it will come to what do you call this?
Profit center.
No, what do you call this process? The cost derivation rule.
Derivation rule.
Correct, no? Yeah, post it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we want to see, no? Here there are only 5 transactions, you are able to tell me that. But okay, so we will record this post. What is it? Post actual sales. Correct. What is it, FB? Number 12, post
Expenditures.
actual expenses, right? Actual expenditure. Actual expenses. FB, next. Number 13. Now we have to run the report, no? Yeah. So check plan versus actual variance report for previously we looked for cost center, no? Now we are looking for profit. The T code, there is a T code S underscore, you know the big T code 87001 3326. Okay, check the variance report.
I press now.
Okay. Yeah. People are hungry. It's a breakfast time. Now we will finish. We'll finish. Few minutes. Just we run this report. S underscore ALR underscore 8701. What is this one? 3326. Yeah. Okay. Plan versus period. First period, right? First period, and then I'm running for either profit center and values, no? Values are 3 lakh 499. All cost elements I'm taking, okay? Right. No. Let us run now. That's it. So you got the report now. Hyderabad Profit Center report. Okay. No. What is it saying? Plan. This is our plan, no?
Yes.
This is our actual. What we planned, what we did. And what is the difference? Variance. Variance percentages. How much you deviated. Here 100% deviation is there, guys. Means what?
Double.
We planned 10,000, we spent 20, double. 100% deviation.
Minus 25 we did reduce it also.
We less. We planned for 40, but we spent less. No? How much less? 10,000. 10,000 by 40 into 100, 25%. Is that clear? There is a zero deviation here. Means exactly rent 1 lakh. Okay. So like this, every profit center will have a profit center report like this, periodic report. Is that clear? Okay. Once this report is there, then the top management will talk to the profit center manager. What's happened?
When we compare with two different profit centers, sir.
Compare with?
So can we get either profit center as same as like being a profit center at the same time?
See here, when you are in this report, from and to is there.
Okay.
From Hyderabad to Bangalore or whatever.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Clear everybody?
Yeah, clear, sir.
So tomorrow we will start very important session. Tomorrow we will start integration. You heard about integration?
No, sir.
It is very important. Integration is very important. Okay. So from tomorrow we will start integration concept. Integration. It's like a daily interview. Definitely without this topic, the interview will not go forward. Okay, if he is deciding to give the job to you, he will definitely ask related to integration. Okay, without asking this, we will not get the job. Simple like that. Okay, for consulting. Okay. Important. Make sure you attend tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start integration concepts. Okay. Right. Okay, guys.
So yesterday,
Seven to eight. Yeah.
yesterday's class notes.
Yesterday's notes. 1 minute. Yesterday, what did we cover? We covered assessment cycle. I think
Assessment cycle I have. Assessment cycle notes I have after that.
assessment only we covered. No, yesterday, correct? No? Capital budgeting. Capital budgeting. One minute. Yes. Reallocation of cost. This is one minute. Yeah, this one. No, this. This is okay.
Okay, sir.
From the beginning, I will show. This is it.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. Guys. Yes.
We created dummy profit centers, so how do we reallocate it to other profit centers? So if you post
No. See, so the cost in the cost centers. Once you reallocate the cost center, the problem will come only for head office cost. F100 already profit center is. H100 already profit center. That problem will come for which cost centers? Like head office cost center, those costs. So when you reallocate from head office to other cost centers, automatically profit center also reallocated. You understand? Now there is a headquarter office, head office is there. Head office is a cost center. No? Now that head office cost center you reallocate to other cost centers. Right? So when other cost centers you reallocate, profit centers also automatically updated. No? That's. Is it clear?
yes, so it's monthly finally.
It will happen. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So can you develop the profit center group?
Profit center. Group you create group, no? Group like you created cost center creation, you created profit center group. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, cost center group you create, profit center group you create. Two, three profit centers you create. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now
What's the code for that, sir?
something is KDH1 something. Okay. So right guys, so what I was saying, we will talk about integration tomorrow. Okay. Right guys, thank you all of you. Happy weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.